Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your NOKIA G60. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here let's try finding Firefox. Open when ready. Here you can customize the browser by selecting a different theme, picking your toolbar placement, sign up to turn on synchronization, change the privacy protection from standard to strict, also read the privacy notice, and finally click on the start browsing to open any website. And here you can see that the browser works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.